Morning guys, maulan na linggo ngayon, January 5. So magsisimba kami ng 10 AM and then after noon, ihahatid namin si Dane sa accommodation niya sa London. Tapos na yung mass and buti na kapag mass pa kami, last day pala yung mass ngayon. I-renovate yung church. Ang resume is February 7, 2026. Almost a year. Ito, I cook baked macaroni for my son. Baon na niya. Easy day. Ito naman, paalis naman kami ng oras na. 12:37 na. Pa London naman kami.
Not like, why is it that road and not the other? What do you mean?
Honey, home sweet home. Just the two of us again.
Hello.
Hatid na namin si Dane.